In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix deleted Gmail account. Before we start, it's important to set expectations. A deleted Gmail account can only be recovered if it was deleted recently, typically within the last 2 to 3 weeks. After that window, the account is usually permanently gone and recovery isn't possible. With that in mind, let's go through the official recovery path step by step so you know exactly what to do and what to expect. Begin by opening your browser and going to the official Google account recovery page at https:/accounts.google.com/sign-in-recovery. Make sure you type the address exactly and use Google's own page to avoid scams. On that page, enter the email address of the deleted Gmail account and select Next. Double check for typos or extra spaces, and if you've had multiple Google accounts, be certain you're entering the correct one. Next, Google will ask you to verify your identity. You may be prompted for the last password you remember using with that account. Enter the most accurate one you can recall. Even an older password can help. You might also see security questions or be asked to use a recovery phone number or recovery email if you set those up before the account was deleted. If possible, complete the process on a device and at a location where you've signed into that account before, as that can improve your chances of success. Answer every prompt carefully and truthfully. If you're unsure about something, provide your best guess rather than leaving it blank. Google uses these details to confirm that you're the rightful owner. If your account is eligible for recovery, you'll see an option to restore account. Choose Continue, then create a new, strong password you haven't used with this account before. After that, sign in again. Once you're back in, it's a good idea to review your security settings later and make sure your recovery phone and email are current to prevent future lockouts. If instead you see a message that says "Account not found," that indicates the account was deleted too long ago or has been permanently removed by Google. In that case, recovery isn't possible through any method. There isn't a workaround or a support request that can reverse a permanently deleted account. To recap, act quickly, use the official recovery page, verify your identity with the most accurate information you have, and if the restore option appears, set a new password and sign back in. If you receive account not found, that means the account can't be recovered.